Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix the problem of something went wrong on the application of Holo. As we will see here, when we are enter to this application of Holo like this in the first time, and then we want to log in this application here, we will click on login like this, and you will add your email. Then you will click on continue here. You will find this problem that saying something went wrong even your email is correct. So what we will do to fix that problem, we will go to settings like this and we will click. In this page we will go to apps, default apps, app settings, as you see here. Then you will scrolling down until you find the application of Holo, or you can write it here, this sign of search like this, and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to permissions. You will check if all these permissions are allowed. Then here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage and then you will click on clear cache, and after that you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Holo and then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.